Hi guys, so welcome our YouTube channel once again. So friends, so today in this video we are going to discuss sooner or later. Even you heard it. Okay, so what does it mean sooner or later? So one of my subscriber asked me question that how can I use sooner or later and when can I use sooner or later. So today in this video we are going to discuss with you how can you use sooner or later. So sooner or later just means right now. Let's take one example, and he also told me that my subscriber has also told me that so you can speak sometime Hindi, because if you are speak English, so I cannot understand. So sometime you should definitely speak Hindi as well. So today in this video I am gonna speak Hindi as well as I will speak English. So first let me speak English, then after that I will speak Hindi. But I am gonna speak English very less than English. So I will speak only English, and sometime I will speak Hindi for you. Because if you are beginner, if you are watching my video, if you are beginner, then you should learn it and you can understand my video also. So let's come to the point. So sooner or later just means let's take one example. Right now I want to speak English. Okay, so I am giving you my example. Right now I want to learn English, and right now, and instead of I will learn English in my future, so instead you can say sooner or later I will speak English fluently. Okay, so just means आप कर सकते हैं कि sooner or later जस्ट मीन्स लाइक आप चाहते हैं कि आप कुछ करना चाहते हैं अभी, लाइक मैं अभी इंग्लिश सीखना चाहता हूँ. सो कभी ना कभी तो मैं इंग्लिश सीखूंगा ही. सो ये मुझे श्योर है. सो आई एम फुली कॉन्फिडेंट लाइक नाउ डे आई एम नॉट एबल टू स्पीक इंग्लिश, बट इन माई अपकमिंग फ्यूचर आई विल बी एबल टू स्पीक इंग्लिश फ्लुएंटली. सो आपको जो बात आपको पता है कि मैं ये काम अभी नहीं कर पा रहा हूँ, सो मैं कभी ना कभी वो काम को जरूर ही कर लूँगा. Okay, so instead of I will do that, so this is a future way. Okay, this is a future time, and you want to do something and you will definitely done in your future. So instead of say that, you can say sooner or later I will speak English fluently. So आपको fully confidence है, you have fully confidence, like you are saying that you will done your what you want to do right now, so you will done your future. Okay, so आप कर सकते हैं. Let's take one example. So कभी ना कभी वह मेरी होगी. सो आज नहीं तो कल वह आपकी होगी, लेकिन वह होगी जरूर. सो इंस्टेड ऑफ शी विल बी माइन, यू कैन से सूनर और लेटर शी विल बी माइन. ओके, सो जस्ट enough for that, and you can say what you want to do definitely, and you will definitely done your future. So you can say sooner or later, like sooner or later you will realize that you have made a mistake. Okay, let me speak one more time. So you can say sooner or later you will have to pay money for your course. Okay, so you can say that.